Greetings, this is Jared with Omnivore Blade-Works. This is the new 3B Tomahawk. You can see the whole thing now. It has a sharpened under beard area, and it has a lanyard loop on the bottom. It has a strong truss geometry in the handle. This is 01 tool steel that's been tempered for maximum toughness. We've got about a Rockwell 56 throughout the whole Tomahawk, maybe a little higher on the edges. The geometry here under the beard, you can see there's a place for your finger. So you can put your finger up here and your thumb back here for doing detail work without risking cutting yourself on this underhook edge. So if you wanted to whittle, this is dull, but that's about as high as I would ever go on a Tomahawk to do any whittling. If you were to come up here, if this was dull, maybe that would be okay, but there's a lot of heft on the handle, so it's a little bit not quite balanced. When you hold it here, it's very well balanced, and it's very neutral at this point, so you can do your detail work without too much trouble. One customer had suggested that this be made in false edge so that he could choke up even higher, but I'm just in disagreement with that because it just eliminates the function of this underhook edge. I also have a couple of 3B Tomahawks where the water jet cut into these notch areas too much, so I had to grind it down to the original 3B profile with the small hand stops. So these will both have exactly the same handle scales, but these protrusions on the new version will prevent your hand from sliding up as much and risking cutting yourself on the underhook edge. On the Anubis version, which has a spike, sharp under the spike, that could be even more dangerous. So we have a few that have the original hand stop, and then most of them have the honey or the beehive, I don't know, the honey server hand stop. I don't know what, I haven't named that, it's just hand stop. Anyway, so these are the new 3B Tomahawks, and most of them are spoken for, but there may be a few cancellations, so if you're interested, give us a holler. The next batch will be made at a $10.95 at a slightly reduced price from what's listed now on the website. Over and out.